This tabletop learning program is energizing, visual, and highly interactive, producing an excellent learning environment that is fun and thought-provoking. Teams will find themselves on a journey to the bottom of the world to collect rare scientific specimens for the good of future research. Outfitted with the supplies and support needed for success, it's up to each team and the choices they make regarding how they use the resources and information available that will impact the goal of bringing back the most specimens we can in just 20 weeks. During the debrief, the expedition leader, facilitator, establishes clear links from game behavior to desired organizational behaviors, impacting collaboration, innovation, quality, motivation, and leadership. Key features: challenging and fun gameplay resulting in an enthusiastic and energetic buy-in. Can support teams as large as 300. Inclusive. Anyone can participate. Completely mobile. We can conduct this program anywhere. Give us a call at 804-651-8888 to see if Expedition Antarctica is the right program for your team.